So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that Firefox is up to date. So in the top right, you want to click on the three lines, and now you want to click on Help, and then select About Firefox. On your screen, it's going to be saying checking for updates. Make sure that your Firefox is up to date. See if that works. If you're using an outdated version of Firefox, it will automatically update the version for you to the latest. For the next method, in the top right, you want to click on the Extensions button, and now you want to select Discover Extensions. On the left hand side, select Extensions. If you have any extensions that you think may be causing a problem, you could either disable it or you can remove it. See if that works. For the next method, go to Themes. You want to enable the default theme. So click on this System Theme Auto. You want to just enable this. For the last method, click on the three lines and then click on Help and then select More Troubleshooting Information. Once this comes up, you have two options. You can try doing Clear Startup Cache and then click on Restart, which is now going to restart Firefox. See if that works. If that's still not working, then go with Refresh Firefox and then click on Refresh Firefox again. Open up Firefox again. Hopefully this will work for you.